All right, everybody. You don't get no face today, or at least in this video, because all this video is great examples. All we finna do this whole video is show you guys how to combine all the lessons that I've been showing you. And we're gonna go down this list right here, and we're gonna do it for everybody. Okay? Cool. So we're gonna start with USD CAD. First, let's find market structure. All right? Aggressive push. So we can come like this, aggressive push up. We got little dips. All these dips. All right, current price. Let's drag this aside. What can we tell? From this part right here, somewhere in this region, we shot up. All right, somewhere in this region, we've created a roof. Matter of fact, let's drag this lower. Right? Cool. So this just basically made a whole hook curl. Now, if we come over here, what do we see? Down, 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 push up. Okay. We should break these downs. We did. We break this down. We broke this down. Let's make it make sense. Somewhere in here lines up with all of these. And with that being said, okay, so we should break these highs and keep going up. That's what it should look like, right? Let's bring that to the chart. We just marked it out. Let's do the low instead. You can do it here, here, or here. You feel me? But somewhere here, we stopped. I'm not your friends. Boom. Boom. Make sense? Makes sense. So, support and resistance, and now we go in. What we saw here, push up, push down, push up, push up. Boom. We broke past all of this. So now what do we need this to do? I'll be forgetting I put it here. Look, pushed up, pushed down. We need this to push up. Is that not what we need? You would need to break this high to confirm up. Right or wrong? Y'all ain't here, so it's right. Next. Okay. We can come from over here. Come down, come up. without looking at the charts right now, let's see. You can go something like this, something like this. You can do something down here. All right? Okay. So let's go to the charts. As we can obviously see, down, down. So we should be looking for more down, right? So let's find support and resistance. So resistance here. This is kind of wonky because if you use the lowest low, we're supposed to do this right here, right? But all of your rejections are from here, right? So how do you play it out? In my case, you don't. You get rid of it. What you basically do is you come here. 1, 2, 3 rejections. And you draw it like this. Why? Because a break above here means I don't want to trade here, and I'm waiting for here. You get me? All right. Next one. Okay. Let's determine. Where's our tool? Mm, mm, mm. You might as well count that. This is what it looks like. So what can we attest? Lowest lows, more low, more low, all while these highs are still being tapped and dropped, tapped and dropped. So we can attest to sell trend, sell, even though it's bouncing. But look, these lows are going up slowly until what happens? Break above, retest, start of the uptrend. Feel me? Cool. So now let's go to the charts. Low here, low here, low here, low here, all while respecting these lows here. All right? So now, if this did this, we should expect this to come back to here or here. All right? Cool. We go back. We look for the multiple rejections. Let's find it out. This one's a little tricky. I won't draw that out like that, but we'll do it. Bring this over here. So what do we see? Price came down. Price in the downtrend, broke these lows, used it as resistance, broke down, came down, okay. Price then decided to turn a new leaf, start breaking highs, okay. We broke the high, retest, started coming up. Price then decided to make a support right here. Bounced up, push, 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 push. Okay, cool. This is what price is doing. We just follow and we watch. Come down, come down, come down, come down. And while it's getting higher, we're in the uptrend at this point. So look, uptrend, uptrend, up until when? These lows are broken. So look, boom, 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 bang, bop, bop. Use these floor now as resistance, and now we're dropping. Okay, so can we bounce off of this floor if we come to it? Possibility, because we shot up from there last time. So we should be able to come to here and take off again, right? All right. So we drew something here. We drew something here. So now, as it currently stands, we're looking for this to go down or hit this area and come up. So we can go bop, 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 bop. We can come up to here, which it looks like we did. Bop, bop, bop. Well, that's what we could be looking for. Let's go to Euro USD. Aggressive down, up, down, up. Let's take it over. What do we have going on here? Simple downtrend. And that's all you need, right? And then if you really want to get tight with the nitty gritty, you can come here or you can come here. Price needs to break that to leave. A break to the downside would be very beneficial. Okay, let's go look at it on the charts. We marked up either somewhere here or somewhere here. I think we marked up right here. Boom. Okay. This was the long. Bada boomski. Right? A break below this low continues down. We aim for here and we continue down. Or you just don't draw this to not get confused. Simple. Dollar index. Our aggressive push starts from here. What can we see here? Aggressive push started from here. We got a tap right there. This is hook curling right here, right? But we don't need to draw that because this box right here is determined. All we can say is break of these highs were good for buys. Because although it hit the top and now it's coming down, it bounced off of here and now it's you hook curling. Right or wrong? Break above and a retest is all we need. Aggressive push here. This one's easy. You can start here. This is as easy can come. So we're looking for price to stop here and push up, right? And that's exactly what price looks like it's doing. All right, my favorite pair. So what do you got here? Support right here. I don't know why I'd be doing that. Seems like a resistance right here. All right. Oh, I'm fucking up. With that being said, I should be looking for price to break one of these areas and let me know what's happening, at least on this time frame. So now, look. Is this not what we just drew up? Now, of course, y'all can say from a higher time frame, this is all sells, blah, blah, blah. All right? But this is the swing low down here. So as of right now, until the new swing low breaks, I can't call it because we came here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So support resistance. You'd have to go on a smaller time frame to trade it even better, but this is your support, this is your resistance. Market structure isn't doing nothing. Where does your aggressive push start from? Down here. Boom. Anything noticeable you draw. Wicks get counted too. It's a bunch of ranging mess. I'm not drawing the ranging mess just to get it up out your system. You fucking up when I spread it in. So our aggressive push started from here. General consensus starts from here, or you can go from here. These highs were broken, these highs were broken, this is your new high. So now, if we come from here, why? You can put price up here, but nothing really tapped it but these. So I prefer to put it here, and now we have some respection. You understand? As well as we broke through the highs, bounce, 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 came through, you respected it, bounce, bounce. So now what are we expecting for price to do? Either bounce off of here to go up, or come above here, bounce off here, and shoot up, right? All right, so if we say ours started from here, Bambuski, right? And then we also did one of these. We don't even have to come back to here. So now we're going to see if price is going to bounce off of this to keep falling, break through these lows, retest and drop, or respect here to shoot up. But as it currently stands, since our previous volatility pushed up, I'm expecting price to push up. Last but not least, NQ. To be fair, this is far back. Our aggressive push is right here, so if we just drew this alone and we started from here, right? Right, right. Or you can either take this away and subsidize that into, okay, so a big ass range. We've been pushing up. So if we start from here, it's up. But yeah, there's no way to deny that. A push down lower keeps going down. We're selling. I can't even fake that. Possibly sell up to here. We need not break these lows. But all right, everybody, that's how you use market structure combined with support and resistance to give yourself a direction in the market. Understandable? Understandable. Thank you.